Hi everybody, welcome here in my little shop. Some days ago I found this motor with 1400 RPM and I think it's good for a disc sander. First I made my disc 30 millimeters or 12 inch from laminate on the bandsaw using my circle jig. The flange I turned on my lathe, cutting out the nut for the tappet with the chisel. Then I assembled the flange and the disc with 4 screws. It was fairly round and centered, but anyhow it was unbalanced. Yep. So I took off some materials from the backside. This was the result, but now the machine runs without vibration, so I can make the cover of the disc from plywood. It's the back side. The flange fits so properly that there is no use for a set screw. I'm very happy. And it runs good. Now I make the other parts of the housing. It's all the same. Making holes, countersinks. And then glue it together and screw it. It's important that the housing fits exactly or a little bit behind the disc. In my case it fits exactly because I use Velcro and then the sanding disc, so I'm about 1.5 millimeter in front of the housing. Necessary things to make. I decided to put off the complete housing with the table so I can change the sanding disc easy. Then I finished all with a small hand plane, sandpaper, painted it, and use it to make a small table on the top of the machine. It's working good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.